Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. So one of the ways to fix that problem is by swiping down right here, and you're going to be able to see the control center. Make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on so you can fix that problem. If you open the Bluetooth and still facing that same issue, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to the settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead to the screen time. In the screen time, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down to the privacy and restrictions. Go ahead and click on it, and you're gonna see the third option, allowed apps and features, or the second option. Go ahead and click on it and make sure that your AirDrop is toggled on or colored with green. Okay. If you're still facing that same issue, go back to the settings, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down, and I'm going to transfer or reset iPhone, and I'm going to just click reset right here, and I'm going to reset the network setting. And basically what that means, that they will reset you will reset the the settings of your network, and basically that should fix your problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.